Hey guys, my name is Brayan de Jesus, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install a computer component, more specifically a RAM stick. So here are the things I'm going to be using. This is what I'm going to be installing, which is just short-term memory that the processor needs. All you really need is a screwdriver and a credit card to be able to leverage the computer case open, because it has these little pins in it that you have to open. Now you want to use your screwdriver to just quickly take out these screws. For the sake of the video, I didn't want to make it too long, so I already went in and I unscrewed them a little bit. I also opened the computer up a little bit because then it would take just way too long. So after taking all your screws out like I did, you're going to take your little card and you're going to want to push it underneath the little hole. There's a tiny little gap, and like I said, already opened it a bit because it is pretty hard. When you're doing this, you don't really want to push it in too hard, as you might go too far and you break something. All this really does is just open the little pins. You just want to push up after you open it. Then you want to take your RAM stick. You're going to make sure it's facing the correct way. Then, after you put it in, you're just going to push down. You should hear a little click. Once you hear that little click, you can just put your case back up, push down. You're going to hear these little cracks. That's just the pins going back in place. After that, you're all good, and you have your new RAM stick installed.